President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. nahirapang pumili kung sino ang maging DepEd Secretary. At narito po ang kanyang pahayag ukol dito. Halina at ating panuurin.
DepEd Secretary by the end of the day.
DepEd Secretary, sir.
Well, no, it turns out it's harder than I thought. So, because we have to absolutely get it right. So I'm giving myself one.
Magandang araw po mga kaguro. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. nahirapang pumili kung sino ang maging DepEd Secretary. At narito po ang kanyang pahayag ukol dito. Halina at ating panuurin.
DepEd Secretary by the end of the day.
DepEd Secretary, sir.
Well, no, it turns out it's harder than I thought. So, because we have to absolutely get it right. So I'm giving myself more time.
Sir, what makes it very hard for you?
As I told you before, we have to see really what the DepEd needs. Of course, there are many calls for the new secretary to be an educator. There are many calls for the new secretary to be an administrator. There are new calls to be a historical professor for all of these, and they're all valid concerns. That's what education is all about, and that is why. And I've gone through so many CVs. Marami tayong magagaling. We have to choose somebody who has an understanding of what is important in terms of being an educator. But then we also have to find the same person also has to have those qualities that they can galvanize this very, very large bureaucracy, which is the DepEd, to achieve all of those gains or all of those changes, to make the educational standard better. Ang lagi naman natin tinitignan ng mga test score natin. We have to bring up the test scores. You all know that. So you need an educator who understands how to help the students, how to help the teachers. Number one. So there are many people who understand that, who are experts really in the educational sector. But then how do you achieve that? That requires a very good hand on the tiller of the DepEd who can manage it properly, who understands the bureaucracy, who understands how to use a budget properly. All of these things. Yun ang mahirap ang trabaho ng DepEd. Kaya that's why we have to thank Inday Sara for really the effort that she put in. There's a great deal more work to be done, and we'll find the right person to do it.
Ilan ang nasa shortlist?
I'm sorry? Shortlist?
Ilan ang nasa shortlist?
Well, I'm not going to let you tie me down to anything. We're looking at everyone. We're looking at everyone. We don't make a short list. Every time I know people myself, na sa palagay ko kaya nila yung trabaho. And many people come to me and say, why don't you think about this fellow? Why don't you think about this the maestra? Why don't you think? So we look at them.
Ibig sabihin na, Mr. President,
We have to get...
Nahirapan kang pumili. Gusto mga nirecommend.
Yun ang, sa madaling sabi, oo, nahirapan akong pumili. Dahil napaka-komplikado ng trabaho ng DepEd. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Kung meron man kayong mga komento tungkol sa mga isyong ito, maaari kayong magbigay ng mga reaksyon sa comment section na makikita sa ibaba ng bidyong ito. Maraming salamat, at kung ikaw ay interesado ng mga bidyong tulad nito, mangyaring suportahan ang channel na ito sa pamamagitan ng pagpindot ng like, pag-share ng mga video, at kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, please subscribe sa channel na ito at pindutin ang notification bell at piliin ang all upang maabisuhan ka para sa mga paparating pang mga videos.